It's a monster! Wow! Every time I come up here, it looks better than the time before. What'd you get done on it now?
Well, I got the front end, I put it back on.
Okay.
I repainted the rim, new tire. I got the gauges.
These are the new gauges, right?
Well, new.
Well,
New for my bay.
new bay.
And new water loom.
Hey, here's my gas tank. I didn't know you. I forgot I loaned it to you.
Original Ducati.
Original Ducati part.
The
Original canoe part.
Uh,
Oh my God.
I got this. This one, the wire loom I changed. It was the best I could find. It was untouched, uncut. It was beautiful. And the handlebar.
Got the bars on there ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you get making progress. Now, what happened to the back rim? The back rim was bent, or?
No, it was a little dent. It was a little
Oh,
dent.
a little dent. Okay.
Little dent, nothing major.
Well, that cleaned up nice inside there. Boy, oh boy. Wow.
Yeah, I just finished to hook up all the blinkers.
Oh, you got that thing?
the tail
Oh,
light.
nice. Nice.
New seat lock.
Nice, boy.
That's so much work, unbelievable.
But you're a young man.
I was going to remove the carburetors because of the fuel hose is too short. So it makes sense to remove the carburetor and the full around under there.
Oh man, yeah, you'll
Takes
go
2 minutes
crazy.
to take it off, yeah.
You'll go crazy. It's cleaning up nice. Little by
Yeah.
little by little. Hey, good thing you're a young man. We got plenty of time.
This is a Honda master cylinder, the original Ducati.
Oh,
I
my
tried
gosh.
to bleed the brakes, the screw they were all butcher. And then I tried to it broken off. So the whole fucking thing is
You should see some of the screws coming off of the Evil Twin project. Oh, it's embarrassing.
so I got
The kid was a butcher.
a Chinese pair of clutch and brake coming.
Wow. This is shaping up.
Yeah,
I'm impressed.
unbelievable, yeah. And the headlights, I think it's the wholly new parts I got from this bike.
That you used?
Looks like a brand new Bosch brand.
Oh, wow.
It looks like a 500 dead Ducati. Yeah.
But that's the wrong bike, right?
I don't know if it is offer for another Ducati, another Franken bike.
The Franken bike. Yeah, okay.
So that one is supposed to be
But that's the
original one.
one that belongs on it.
Yeah, every fits, the master cylinders all cap. And,
Beautiful.
before it was a little floating around.
Yeah.
If I something much up with this car, I can just touch it up. And the clutch cover, the alternate cover has to be painted aluminum, silver.
Yeah.
Yeah. And, the choke, I don't like the choke here. If I can find something, I can put over here. Now, I still got swap the gauges.
What other parts did you get for this?
Nothing.
Nothing. I thought you were getting. Oh, you got the gauges.
No, I didn't put the gauges on yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got to find the time.
I didn't see that. Well, you're a young man. You got plenty of time.
I'm busy with the monster.
The monster's taking over your life. See? Oh my God! How many of those seats you got now?
I got it for cheap.
For cheap.
Yeah, this one stock. It's totally stock.
That's a stock seat. Okay.
Stock seat. And it's not bad. There's a little.
No, you could cover that.
You can cover it very easy.
Oh, sure. The batting works good. The last couple seats we did, beautiful.
Yeah. This
What's
is,
this now?
This is the bad wire loom.
This is the original one that came with the
Oh
bike?
my God, it was all cut.
Oh, this kid must have been a real butcher.
Oh God damn! What they did? Where's the piece?
Oh my God,
The
what a
piece
mess.
missing. And it was all cut. It was all cut. It was totally a disaster.
Oh my God.
And where I go? Yeah, the one with the little.
Well, it's got a little dent in it.
Has a little small dent. You can bury.
But it holds air, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So my FZR has a dent in the wheel, so it holds air.
Let me show you what the dent.
Doesn't vibrate. What's the difference?
Yeah. I can't find it now.
Yeah, but that's no big deal as long as it's holding air.
You can see it from the top. It's a little.
Yeah. He ran up on a curb or something like that.
Yeah.
This is a brand new one?
It's a brand new one.
Now all you need is a brand new ass and you're all set.
It's nice.
How, is this comfortable with that lump
I
there?
don't know. I didn't sit yet.
But your ass is round, not
Oh,
square.
look here.
Oh, look at that.
It's a little compartment for
yeah,
tools.
tools or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
What does that say there? Super atomic foam. Super.
It fits perfectly.
Yeah, good. It's a nice job.
Yeah. And that one's the one you did.
And that's the one I did.
Yeah.
Well, you put each one and see which one your ass likes the best.
This one.
This I never like when they put this. That you always could. This shit you could always feel through your leathers. That
Actually,
edge.
this is supposed to stop you from sliding.
You don't go that fast, trust me. We're not going to slide. If I put some Vaseline there, you're not going to slide off the bike.
This one's water cooler. It's
Oh.
748.
Okay, that's a 748.
It
you
may
got.
fit because the mounting points over there exactly the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll probably fit.
That triple tree came with the bike?
The one, the upper triple tree I got from eBay came with the risers.
Oh, okay. That's how you got the
I
riser.
painted that one.
And what is that? Spare Ducati carbs?
Yeah, but
These are for the Monster?
yeah, this thing is broken.
Oh, that's right. Last time I was here, I saw
It's
that.
supposed to be a spring,
Yeah.
something like this. So that's what I found.
Okay. Yeah.
And all the main jets, they all changed. The needles was changed. Most probably had a check it.
Yeah.
And the one I got on the back now, it was suck.
Well, the workmanship that you got up that you saw already is pretty high quality workmanship.
Oh my god.
But
Oh,
that
yeah.
master cylinder you have, if you bring that to my house, I'll try to get those screws out.
This is
for
the rest
you.
of the wire room.
That's real workmanship, boy.
Yeah.
Quality. This guy must have been in the restoration business, huh?
Oh my god.
That frame actually cleaned up pretty nice. I'm amazed.
The other side's bad. Yes, it's a rust because the battery was spilling acid.
Yeah, it takes the paint right off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful, my friend. All right, we'll see you later, Alger. Okay, thank you for coming. All right, it's always good to see your progress. Keep this going.